Oh my goodness! Hi to all of you, all of my beautiful friends. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fabulous. I'm doing pretty well myself. My last upload, I think, was like 2 weeks ago. So hi, hello, 2021. It's my first video of 2021, and 2021's already gone to shit. So, anyways, I'm gonna do this cute tutorial using the Revolution Makeup Nightmare Before Christmas Jack palette, and I really love this palette. It was super cute. I got the Jack one. I did not get the Sally one because I looked at both of them and just tried to decide which one I wanted to get, and I just liked the Jack one better, so I got that. I also got one of the highlighters, but it ended up being too dark for me, so I didn't use it. I'm so sorry, but you know, I'm still going to use the palette and show y'all. So I used my P. Louise base first, and then I went in with the dark brownish black color, put that in my crease, took the red color, put that in my crease, and then took that purple color and put that on the inner part of my eye. And then I took this lime green, which is called Oogie, I believe, and I tried to use that as a transition shade, but you could see it's almost non-existent. So that didn't turn out how I thought it was going to, but that's okay. I went ahead and cut my crease. We're doing a half cut crease today. I just took my same P. Louise base and I'm cutting my crease with it. And then I went in with this blue shade, which, oh my goodness, I was in love. I'm in love. Look at that. It's beautiful. I also took this purple shade and tried to go on top of it because the blue ended up being too blue. I wanted it to be more purple, but we kind of tried to go in and fix that here in a minute. I just went with the blue, blended the blackish brown on the outer corner, and then I took this shade right here. It's called Moon, and I put that on the inner part of my eye and blended it into the bluish, purplish area. I also took my finger and just kind of smudged it around, you know. Then I'm doing some glitter. I'm using these two. I'm using an LA Splash glitter, and then I'm also using an Urban Decay glitter and kind of like mix them together. The LA Splash one is purple and red, and then the Urban Decay one is just a light purple and silver. And I just did that to kind of, I love doing a little bit of glitter when I do a half cut crease, or a cut crease in general, I guess. I'm using this Beetlejuice Melt Cosmetics gel liner. This one is metallic, and I'm putting that on top of the blue first because it can act as a really nice base. Their gel liners can. So I'm putting that on top of the blue just to make it a little bit more purple, and then I'm picking that purple shimmer shade and just packing that right on top and blending everything together. Again, I wanted it to be more purple. The blue was beautiful, but for this look, it's just not what I was going for. And then I also took the liner and I just did some liner on the inner part of my eye and blended it into the outer corner of my eye. And then I put some of that Urban Decay glitter on top of that as well, just to bring it all together. We love glitter on this channel. Okay, honey? I went ahead and did my base. Ooh, she poppin'. I've been loving the Lancome foundation lately, you guys. The Tint Idol. I hope I said that right. I don't think I did, but it's really, really good. I'm taking this KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner, and I'm just using that for my lower lash line. I'm blending it out with the red and the dark black, brownish black color, and I'm just connecting everything and making it really, really smoky and dramatic. We're going for drama today. Wait till you see the lashes I pull out on you guys. You guys are going to be like, what, Sydney? What are these lashes? Because they're extra, okay? I'm now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid liner, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner. We love a little inner corner point. It makes us feel cute. It makes us feel fab. And then, of course, I'm going in with my Glamouine palette in collaboration with Spoiled Cosmetics. Look how cute she is. Ugh, I have a clean version, but why would I use the clean version when I just used this palette and it's all dirty and messy now? I'm sorry, I've used it a lot. I'm using my shade Lucky 13 as my highlight today. It's just like a greenish kind of highlight. I don't know what compelled me to use a green highlight, but it's what I did. Okay, I'm just going to go with it. I'm using my Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice mascara as well. I love this mascara packaging because it has sandworms engraved into it. What? It's so cute, and the mascara is actually bomb. Now, these are the lashes I'm using. They're called I've Arrived, and yes, I have. Oh, shoof. Oh, I don't even know what to do with myself. When I bought these, they're the One Size Patrick Starr's brand. I saw these lashes, and I was like, excuse me? So I bought them because you all know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I want my lashes to touch my forehead, to go past my forehead, to go up to heaven. The bigger your lashes, the closer to heaven. Am I right? I am. I know. I put on some lip liner, I did my hair, put some jewelry on, and I am now taking this LA Splash Cosmetics liquid lipstick called Love Good. You can use my code VOODOO with LA Splash Cosmetics. I still need to get that changed. I've been trying to, and it's just not happening. So the code will get changed eventually, but for now, it's VOODOO. And then to top this look off, I'm using this Zero lip gloss from Revolution Makeup. Look how cute this is. It's part of the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. And I got the clear gloss just so it would go with like any color lipstick that I wanted to use. So I just popped a little bit of that on top. Oh, and it's so like silky feeling. That's a weird way to explain a lip gloss, so that's how I felt. That's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial of 2021. I have more coming, so put on your boots and let's get ready for this ride. I hope you enjoyed my look today. I really love it. These lashes are just killing me. I'm obsessed with them. Oof. Anyways, thank you again for watching, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.